Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine in your homes. In the last session, we had discussed about climate of Europe, peninsulas, islands, bays and gulfs. In this session, we are going to learn about westerlies and warm ocean currents. What is westerlies? You know that winds blow from Atlantic Ocean towards the Europe all over the year. Since they blow from west, those winds are called westerlies. These westerlies winds blow from southwest towards the northeast. These winds contain moist and the winds are warmer than the land temperature. So these warm and moist winds blow all over the year from southwest to northeast. Now, warm ocean currents. As you already learned in the previous chapter that the water in the ocean is not static. It keeps moving from one place to another place. That is the ocean current, which flows from thousands of kilometers in the ocean, just as river flows on land. In the Atlantic Ocean, the winds blow from equator where the water is warmer all over the year. These wind currents blow from westwards to North America. From North America, these winds blow to northeast side, which passes through western coast of Europe. So these ocean currents which blow from equator and passes through western coast of Europe are called Gulf streams in America, while in Europe it is called as North Atlantic drift. The westerlies which blows throughout the year also bring moisture to northern and western Europe. Since these winds blow from the sea, these winds carry a lot of moisture and regularly cause rainfall. Therefore, it rains throughout the year in northern and western Europe. While it rains only for a few months in our country, there are light showers all over the year in western Europe. While we in India eagerly wait for rain and cold showers. The people of Western Europe wait for sunny days. If you look at the countries of Southern Europe, they have the Mediterranean Sea to their south. So they are called Mediterranean countries. The lands along the Mediterranean Sea have a distinct climate called the Mediterranean climate. The winter in these countries are not too cold and summer are warm. It does not rain all over the year as in Western Europe. The westerlies blow here during the winter months only. These winds bring rain to the Mediterranean countries. In other words, it rains here only in winter. Such rainy winters and dry summers are termed as Mediterranean climate. Several regions in other continents also have a Mediterranean climate. This climate is very good for growing juicy fruits. Thus, regions with Mediterranean climate are famous for their fruits. Fruits like olives, figs, grapes, oranges, etc. are grown extensively in southern Europe. Now, the four seasons and agriculture. In our country, we have three seasons: winter, summer, and the rainy season. However, most European countries, including France, have four main seasons. They are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. The look of the land changes according to the seasons, and the agricultural routine also changes. The transformation of a place over these seasons can be seen in the pictures. First, we will learn about winter. As winter approaches in November and December, it gets very cold and snow begins to fall once in a while. It snows heavily on the mountains and less on the plains. The sun shines once. The sun rises very late in the day at about 9 or 10 o'clock and sets by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, spring. The landscape begins to change as March comes. The days get longer and the nights are shorter. The snow begins to melt and fresh green leaves appears and colorful flowers bloom everywhere. Lush green grass begins to grow on the lands. The fields are ploughed in spring and sowing is done during this season. Wheat, barley, corn, sugarcane, and oats are the principal crops grown in this season. Okay, students, so this is about winter and spring. In the next session, we will discuss about summer and autumn season. Allah Hafiz.